Long ago, when the stars seemed closer to Earth, there lived a damsel named
Moltinchan.
Each morning, she and her friends went to the mountains to gather wood for their families.
On their way back, they saw a strange, ugly man with a musical instrument made of human skull and fingers.
When Moltinchan tried to lift her basket, it felt heavy. Bound by their promise,
a spell
she
froze
asked the ugly
everyone.
man to help.
The ugly man revealed himself as an evil god. He warned Moltinchan never to tell anyone, or he would abduct her.
That evening, Moltinchan told her friends. Suddenly, a spell froze everyone.
Whoever could throw a stone, eat 7 plates of food and bottle of wine before it fell, would save Moltinchan.
2 poor rat-catching brothers, Yangchal and Purul, passed the test. They set out to rescue Moltinchan. Yangchal bravely entered the land of the gods. He challenged the evil god by leaping over his house and thrusting his staff into the prayer ground. Yangchal took Moltinchan with him, but the evil god chased them in the night. The gods whispered to Moltinchan to cut the nearby grass. The grass turned out to be the evil god in disguise. They found Purul mute. His tongue had been taken by underworld gods. Yangchal went down to retrieve it.
After retrieving the tongue, Purul betrayed his brother by cutting the vine, trapping Yangchal in the underworld.
Yangchal married in the underworld, but later escaped to Earth using a magic creeper and clever trickery. Yangchal married in the underworld, but later escaped to Earth using a magic creeper and clever trickery. Back in the village, Yangchal punished his brother but spared his life. He married Moltinchan, and they lived happily ever after.
This is the end of the Thadou Folktale of Moltinchan. Thank you for listening. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.